Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab AMS filament not loading, clog, jam and sensor troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Check the filament spool. Remove the spool from the AMS and make sure the filament is entangled or crossed on the spool. Cut the filament end straight so it feeds smoothly. Now reinsert the filament until the AMS grabs it automatically. Fix 2. Inspect the filament path. Disconnect the PTFE tube from the AMS and tool head. Now look for broken filament pieces or debris inside the tube. Remove any blockage and reconnect the tube securely. Replace the PTFE tube if it is kinked, worn, or crushed. 3. Clean the AMS first stage feeder. Open the AMS lid, blow compressed air around the feeder to remove filament dust, and if necessary, remove any small filament fragments caught in the feeder gears or sensor area. Dust buildup can prevent the AMS from detecting filament correctly. Fix 4. Check the AMS rollers. Make sure the spool rotates freely on the rollers. Clean any dust or filament residue from the rollers and replace damaged or worn rollers if they are no longer grip the spool properly. Fix 5. Inspect the AMS hub and PTFE connections. Ensure every PTFE tube is fully inserted into the AMS hub. Check the loose connectors or damaged fittings and remove any broken filament pieces trapped inside the hub. Fix 6. Test with anchor filament. Try loading a different spool that is known to work. Brittle or moisture damaged filament can snap inside the AMS and prevent proper loading. Fix 7. Update firmware. Make sure both your printer and AMS are running the latest firmware. Firmware updates often improve AMS feeding reliability and sensor performance. Fix 8. Contact Bambu Lab support. If the AMS still won't load filament after these checks, the feeder motor, filament sensor, or AMS hub may require repair or replacement. Contact Bambu Lab support and include your printer logs and photos of the AMS error for faster assistance. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.